Welcome to Bow Habitat Station's Fish in Schools Raised to Release program training video, all about how to do your water changes. Water changes must be completed twice a week after your fish have reached 500 to 530 ATUs. To complete a water change, you will need labeled waste and clean water buckets that can each hold 8 liters of water, your gravel siphon, household bleach, and your water conditioners Aqua Plus and Cycle. Start by filling your treated water bucket with cold tap water. Let the treated water sit for 15 minutes for the Aqua Plus to remove chlorine from the water. Remove the cover from your aquarium. Unplug the AquaClear power head before removing any water from your aquarium. Do not unplug your filter or chiller. Use the gravel siphon to remove 8 liters of water from your aquarium. Place the tube end of your siphon into the wastewater bucket. Place the gravel siphon in the water and rapidly move it up and down to start the flow of water through it. If you don't have a gravel siphon, use buckets to remove water from your aquarium. Transfer the water into wastewater buckets. Add 10 milliliters of bleach to the 8 liters of wastewater in the waste bucket. Sterilizing your wastewater with bleach meets the requirement of your fish research license and prevents the spread of any diseases. Let this sit for 10 minutes. Replace the water you've removed with 8 liters of treated water. Remember to pour this water gently into your aquarium so that you do not disturb the gravel. Plug your AquaClear power head back into the power bar. Make sure it is aerating water and creating a flow in your aquarium. Replace the cover back on top of your aquarium. Remember that water changes need to be done at least twice a week. You have now completed your water change.